high best premium flagship smartphone. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. This price is 1,24,999. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is a great productivity smartphone that money can buy, be it cameras or performance. It has it all. Number 2, iPhone 14 Pro Max. This price is 1,29,900 rupees. iPhone 14 Pro is ideal for exciting iPhone user. If you are a content creator, the 14 Pro might be a better deal as it offers the best video recording performance. Number 3, Vivo X90 Pro 5G. This price is 84,999 rupees. If you are looking to enjoy the versatility of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera but cheaper, the Vivo X90 Pro 5G is your best option. Number 4, Google Pixel 7 Pro. This price has 84,999 rupees. If you are a fan of Android OS, the Google Pixel 7 Pro won't disappoint. Also, the phone gets the latest Android. It's number 5, Xiaomi 13 Pro, prices 79,999 rupees. If look are your priority, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is one of the best options overall the phones offer.